Being able to smile in public, not thinking about it, being able to eat the foods that I used to love to eat, makes a huge difference.
When I would show my friends my situation, they would say, "Oh, no one can see that." Yes, they could, and I knew they could, because I had seen the same situation in the mouths of other people, and that's what I would remember about their smile.
With the teeth, I was a little embarrassed, not little, I mean a lot embarrassed actually, and it affected my confidence levels in meetings and all that.
When you go out to dinner, I ordered the mashed potatoes. You're a little conscious. You can't really chew, can't really smile at people, look at them. You look to the side or look down so you don't directly look at them. So it affects your social life and, and what you do and where you go.
Hello, and thank you for taking the time to visit with us. And congratulations on taking the first step toward changing your life. Dental implant procedures are allowing patients with missing or failing teeth the ability to achieve freedom from dental misery and gain confidence to not only eat what you want, but to also unleash the real you, to seize opportunities in social, personal, and business situations.
I feel better about myself. I look better. I've gained weight because I was very, very skinny before. I don't have gastro problems the way that I used to. I don't have the earaches and the headaches anymore. Now I feel like $1,000,000.
Dental implants are a long-term solution to replace missing or failing teeth. Implants have a very high success rate, and as a specialist, we place hundreds of implants a year.
I would never smile in a photograph.
I would start to avoid looking them in the eye, and I would I wouldn't smile like I used to be.
When we do these major implant surgeries, we like to do everything in one day. We can take teeth out, place multiple implants, and give patients teeth the same day, so they walk out of here with a brand new smile.
With your new smile, you'll feel younger. You can go about your daily activities free from the fear that your unfortunate dental condition will hold you back. No longer will you need to cover up an embarrassing smile or feel that others are judging you poorly.
You know, no matter like how good I feel, I put my makeup on, I do my hair, and then you brush your teeth and see them, and then it's like, just make sure I don't smile with my teeth.
No more bridges, no more dentures, no more root canals or messy creams or removable teeth. With dental implants, we can create a smile that's permanent and can last a lifetime. It's been estimated that 69% of Americans aged 35 to 44 have at least one missing tooth, and 1 in 4 Americans over the age of 74 have lost all their natural teeth. So it's important for you to explore a permanent solution to your problem that will feel and look the most natural.
And many of my friends noticed the smile, not so much the difference in the teeth, but the smile.
So why do so many people choose dental implants? There are a lot of options to replace missing teeth, but only one, dental implants, provide the feel, function, and appearance of natural teeth that can last a lifetime.
With the dental implants, I go anywhere, I do anything. It's just like having my own teeth back.
Dental implants give you the confidence you need without worry. Dental implants prevent severe bone loss. Dental implants have proven safe and effective for more than 50 years. With dental implants, you don't need to file down adjacent healthy teeth to make them fit.
I was told that if I went with implants, that I would last much longer and get more benefit out of it than what I had at the time, because my natural teeth just wouldn't support my partial any longer.
I had had a bridge before some time back, and it just was so uncomfortable and never fit properly, and the whole thing bothered me, and I said I will never ever go that way again, period.
I had an implant placed, and it's now been 15 years since it's been placed. I never had a problem. I clean it just like I clean my regular teeth. I brush it, I floss it, and it's just been a tremendous change to have a dental implant instead of a bridge, and particularly failing bridges.
Today, dental implants are not only the most technologically advanced treatment solution for missing and failing teeth, they're also affordable. In most cases, we can make a dental implant treatment to fit within your budget.
You know, I'm an average worker, blue collar, if you will, paycheck to paycheck. I was very fortunate and I was able to finance through this office.
So what is a dental implant? A dental implant is actually a titanium screw that's anchored into the jawbone. The screw takes the place of the root of the missing tooth, and bone grows tightly around that screw. An abutment is screwed onto the implant, and then your crown, new tooth, or whole arch of teeth are replaced above. Whether for a single tooth, several missing or failing teeth, or a full mouth restoration, our center can provide a dental implant solution for you, and often in just one day. Patients may only need a single implant or an implant solution to support several missing or failing teeth. We treat many patients with this condition, but we're also well known for providing full mouth restorations where an entire upper, lower, or both arches of missing or failing teeth are completed in just one day. That's right, with our advanced technology, skilled doctors, and laboratory capabilities, we can create a total new smile for you in just one day. You need to be aware that when you have missing teeth, your bone starts to shrink or resorb. Ultimately, left untreated, bone loss can result in significant changes to the structure of your face and have a detrimental effect on your overall dental health. If left untreated, this usually leads to further and more expensive problems. However, when the implant is anchored into the bone, it acts like the root of your tooth, virtually stopping bone loss. That's something that bridges and dentures can never do. Teeth restored with dental implants don't get cavities. There are no more root canals, and you clean them just like your natural teeth. It's also important to understand that dental implants are a surgical procedure, and our doctors have advanced training and expertise in performing your dental implant procedure.
We place a lot of implants, and so all the doctors here are specialized in these types of procedures and can offer the best level of service.
At our center, our doctors use the latest in CAT scan technology to measure the bone and determine exactly where to place the implants and avoid the nerves.
With the CAT scan, we're able to visually see any vital structures in the patient. This is something that most offices do not offer. We can virtually plan the implant placement on the computer before we do any work in their mouth.
They have the sophisticated technology, an outstanding facility, and experienced staff to make your procedure go smoothly.
I knew he was a specialist. That's why I came to see him, and I knew I'd be in good hands, and I was.
For us, the greatest feeling in the world is to see how we can change people's lives, make them more confident. People that were afraid to go out in public to have dinner or even go on a date or anything like that, we can change that for them. And giving them confidence, giving them back their smile, changing their lives, that's the greatest thing that we do here.
So why choose our center for your dental implant procedure? Expertise, care, trust. We care about you personally as well as about your dental situation. At your initial consultation, with the help of diagnostic scanning tools, our doctors will be able to ascertain the best dental implant solution for you and then custom design a treatment plan, including the cost and financing options. Remember, if your problem isn't treated, it will likely get worse and increasingly more expensive to resolve. But dental implant procedures can last a lifetime.
We change people's lives every single day. We see the worst of the worst cases that come in, and there's probably nothing that we haven't seen yet. People with severe disease, people that have not seen the dentist in years because they're ashamed of going to the dentist, we have solutions for them. We have solutions for almost everyone that walks through our doors.
After this, I returned to my normal activities. Next day was as usual.
The best thing about Dr. Ueno was that he gave me alternatives, which is more scientific, which is more modern, whereas the other doctors, I don't know why, they probably were not aware. They didn't give me these alternatives.
Virtually all dental implant procedures are performed in the office with either IV sedation, local or topical anesthesia.
During the procedure, I was sedated and I didn't feel any pain or anything.
Here is a doctor you'll meet at our center.
A Bay Area native, Dr. Ueno was born and raised in San Jose. He attended the University of California at San Diego, where he majored in biology. Pursuing his interest in dentistry, Dr. Ueno attended Tufts University School of Dental Medicine and then, upon graduation, completed his residency in periodontics at the world-renowned Columbia University College of Dental Medicine. At Columbia, he trained under some of the top surgical clinicians and researchers in the world. As a personal commitment, Dr. Ueno has donated thousands of dollars and hours to help those less fortunate with their severe dental problems. He has traveled extensively on missions to impoverished nations to provide dental surgery for those severely handicapped with dental disorders. Dr. Ueno practices in his new multi-million-dollar Ueno Center, providing state-of-the-art dental care, as well as teaching other dentists and dental team members the art and science of dental implant surgery.
It does matter who you turn to for your dental implant treatment, and our team is ready to change your life. You know, there's really no greater moment than when you see a patient who's suffered with their teeth for years finally be given back their smile, given back their life. You'll be meeting with your doctor shortly, and if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. Just coming here today is the first step toward a lifetime of positive change and opportunity. That journey for you begins right now.
When they handed me the mirror, it was an incredible feeling to look at myself and not feel self-conscious, to look at myself and think, wow, that's a nice looking smile. It was really something.
I'd like to forget this guy. Feel so more comfortable, so much more happier. I changed my life. You know, just meeting people is a whole different experience.
I just had Easter dinner with my father and my mother. My dad was sitting next to me at the table. He was at the head, and my mother was at the other end. And I turned to him and I said, "This is the best dinner I've ever had. The best dinner I've ever had." And I was smiling, and I was happy.
Makes me feel special when my 10-year-old looks at me, you know, being the pure kind of kid that he is, and says, "Daddy, I've never seen you look that good with your teeth and that clean." That's a pure compliment, and it makes me glow.
At the end of the day, they gave me a mirror, and that's the first time that I liked looking at myself in a long time. Because I got these.